Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you what is ad location in bulk in Facebook ads. As you can see, I'm into my ads manager and I'm creating a new ad campaign, and here we are at this ad set level, and here in the audience control section, right, as you can see there is an option of ad locations in bulk. For example, I want to run my ad campaign in 50 different cities. Then there is an option, either I type the city name manually and just simply select it like this, or I can either enter the all city names together and I can simply add them in bulk. And for that reason we can click on this add location in bulk, and here it is asking us the location type. And if we click on select, then we can also select the countries where we want to showcase our ad. We can add bulk countries in our ad campaign, and we can also select the counties or regions, and sometimes in few countries it is also known by the name of states, right? So we can also select the counties or regions. We can select the DMAs, designated market areas, and we can also add cities in bulk by selecting these towns and cities. And we can also add bulk postal code or pin code, right? And we can also add bulk addresses and comscore market as well. So for example, if I want to add cities in bulk, then I will select this and default radius city only, and I just need to enter the city names. Like for example, as you can see here, we need to enter the city name separated with comma and country name, and then you can see the semicolon. This is the format. In this format we need to enter the city names. For example, I can enter this and then semicolon and the another city name, and the again semicolon and the another city name, and then country name again, right? And in this format we can add the city names in bulk, and we can simply click on match location. And as you can see that here it is showing me the matched location. Among these matched location, I can uncheck all those locations that are not relevant to me, right? So I can simply remove this, I can remove this, I can remove this. These are the addresses in this city, so we can simply remove them. And I also don't require this. These are the addresses in these cities, right? So we don't require this, and we don't require these as well, right? So you can simply click on add to location, and you can select multiple cities at a single time. So this is ad location in bulk in Facebook ad campaign. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check out our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.